How to make background transparent in Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device. Here, add your pictures, edit, and after you've done that, click on the color icon and then click on the plus icon. Make sure the color is FFFF. After you've done that, press on share at the top right corner of your screen. After you've pressed on share at the top right corner of your screen, click on download and you'll find an option in here which is download transparent. You can simply click on download transparent. It is only available for pro version, but you'll find it here. Simply click on it and download, and after your file is downloaded, the background will be transparent. This is how to make background transparent in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.